Hey, how's it going, fam? Hello and welcome to today's episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be continuing his discussion on warm season growing. So please stay tuned.
Okay, we're going to continue our talk about what can grow right now. We're in a warm season here in Central Texas. And so here are some other plants that you can grow. Three of them are from the cucurbit family. Cucurbits are like gourds. You have your squash, you have zucchini, and then my favorite one is beans, all variety of beans. Beans that do very well. They grow very quickly. And then the last one I throw in there is radish. Radish grows very, very fast. Those jokers will do very well. You're definitely going to need to know exactly where your water source is, because without water, there is no life. And especially in a time where it's very warm, you're going to have to make sure that you water, check the ground around your plants to make sure that is moist in the morning, preferably, and keep those babies watered, and everything should be all right. But beans, if you're going to plant beans, you want a bush bean variety. You have two different varieties of beans. You have your pole and you have your bush. Your bush beans will grow just like they say in a bush, and your pole will need something to grow on, like a trellis or maybe even some bamboo or a fence or something like that. But I strongly suggest growing in a bush. They will provide quickly, and you'll have an abundance of beans for you and your family. And so with that being said, this is Uriah Israel. We'll talk soon.